Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kyle with BISH'S RV in sunny Junction City, Oregon. Over here at BISH'S, I'm going to show you this 2022 Jayco North Point 310 RLTS. If you find this video helpful or informative, please like and subscribe right now, okay? Check this coach out. This one's a really nice fifth wheel. It's probably Jayco's luxury fifth wheel that we got here. It's the North Point, okay? So you got the nice fiberglass front cap right on here. It's on a 6-point auto leveling system. So the auto leveling system is actually right in here, along with where your hose is for all of this, these different settings will be. And yeah, that's a really nice, awesome thing. And it's even got specific directions for dry camping as well. This one does come equipped with solar on it, which is a really nice benefit because your batteries will never die, really. It's always got that charge going, okay? You also got these side view cameras on the side as well, that are ready for you as soon as you go ahead and get on your trip. That way you can see on both sides of the fifth wheel. You got the place where your batteries are gonna live, as well as this one is gen prepped as well, which is quite nice. Being over here, we got the pass-through storage. You got the diamond plate on the bottom, so you can be a little bit more rougher with the things that you put in here. It's also got the Jayco water filtering system in there, as you can see, which is a really nice feature that Jayco only does, which is awesome. Okay. Then you also got, this one's a 3-slide rig, okay? So you got 2 on the driver's side, 1 on the passenger side, and it's got 2 different awnings, okay? One is on the slide, and then one is on the rest of the rig as well. Really nice coach. Got the solid steps here, and this one also comes with the steps that have the shock mount right on there, which bears all of the weight of the steps. That's a big benefit for people that just want to be able to put the stairs away, and you don't have to be super strong. So that's a big benefit for this one. This one right here also says that it's warranted for full-time living. Now, Jayco's been in business for about 50+ years. Probably have one of the best warranties out there. So if you have more questions about that, I can definitely answer them, or our finance team can. So it's a little dark in here, as you can see, but let's turn the lights on. Jayco, turn on interior lights. That's the J voice command. That's really cool. Cool benefit to where the kids can just tell basically Siri or Google, but in this case, Jayco, you know what to do. As soon as you come on into the rig, you got your one-touch controller. If you don't like the J voice command, you can also just push the buttons there too, if you're old school like that, which is okay. Which is nice. I like the cabinetry in here as well. So if you just come on in, let's look at this part right here. The cabinetry is really, oh, that's actually pretty deep. Nice. Always need more storage, right, guys? You need it. Okay, especially if this is something that you're interested in as far as full-time living or long-time staying or longer camping trips that you got going on here. Take a look at this floor plan. Isn't it nice? Super awesome. Nice kind of traditional fifth wheel rear living floor plan right here, okay? So you got the solid surface countertops with this big island here. Really nice. A lot of people like it just because you can, you know, actually have place to prep veggies or any other things like that. Got the nice stainless steel sink as well as the faucet, and it does have that removable nozzle. You got the double door refrigerator and freezer, so nice space in there. Like I said, you can buy groceries for long time camping trips, or if you're gonna live in it full time, you can do that as well. It's powered by gas and electric, so that's really awesome. Coming over here, you got the oversized microwave / convection oven, okay? So if you didn't want to use your oven, you can actually use this. It gets pretty hot, which is really nice. You got the 4-burner stove cooktop, as well as the turkey approved oven right there. Okay. Coming into the living space here, they kind of did 2 different tone colors here. So it's kind of like the lighter grayish over there in the kitchen, and then they got the darker interior right here, here in the living space. It does come with the televator as well, so if you didn't want the living room to be all about the TV, you can put that down, or if you want to watch the game or anything like that, goes all the way nice and easy there. It's quite nice. But yeah, as it's going down, you got more places for storage here on the top as well. Look at this. And they got the nice hinges here, which is just, it's, you know, when you're spending this much money, it's all about the little details that really matter, right? Like storage, the cabinetry, how everything looks. Is it you, right? Does it benefit you? Coming on up here, we got the three couch right here sofa, and it's got ample space on the top here for storage as well. So whatever you like, it's nice open floor plan with a lot of windows. Okay, so you're not gonna feel super crammed in here. It's gonna feel nice, light, and open. Then you also do have these theater seats right here, which are really, really comfortable, I might add. It's got the massage as well as the heated chairs, and it's also got some lighting underneath it. And yes, they do go out too, so you can lay back and relax, hang out in the fifth wheel. You also got some different little nooks and crannies in here where you can store some stuff. So they got those little drawers right there, and then they got the USB ports as well as the 110 plugins. So here you got your dinette with the 2 chairs. This does have an extension as well. Pretty nice and easy to set up. You also got this nice counter as well as this place for your USB ports or a 110 plug-in right there. Like I said, nice lighting in here, nice space with the windows. You never feel like super crammed in here, which is nice. Come on up this way. Check out this bathroom. Nice bowl sink there. Okay, got nice lighting in here. It's also got the nice big shower. It's a square shower. It's not like one of those corner showers. It does have that room on the skylight as well, and some places for storage for your towels or any other things like that, and a nice toilet. Come on into the bedroom here. Check this out. This one's nice. It's got a king-size bed. It's got those oversized pillows that does come with it too. Okay, really, really nice. You also got this lots and lots of storage. I mean, look at that. That is a big benefit to you. I mean, if you wanted to store anything, you got to put it under your bed. That's where all the storage is right now. But seriously, that's a lot of storage down there. You also got this dresser right here, which does open up here, which is nice and nifty. You can do a little party trick for your friends. You also got the drawers as well right here, which is quite nice. You got your Insignia TV, and this one is prepped for a washer and dryer. So as you can see up in here in this closet, come on over. You can put a washer and dryer in here. You can use this for your shoes or any closet item things, which is quite nice. Then you also got the nice mirror right here as well, coming into this bedroom. Now you can see Gary. Say hi, Gary. If you guys like this fifth wheel, feel free to give me a call, okay? My number is 541-799-8794. Again, my name is Kyle. Feel free to give me a call. For now, we'll talk soon. Happy camping.